Turn your phone into a money-making machine on social media, from Facebook to YouTube and beyond. Introduction. Hey there, social media enthusiasts. Do you know that instead of idly scrolling through your phone, you can turn it into a powerful tool for making thousands of dollars right here on platforms like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and even Instagram? That's right. Today, we're diving into the world of making money on YouTube as part of this social media revolution. So, buckle up, because we're about to unlock the secrets to monetize your passion and turn your mobile device into a money-making machine. Ever find yourself mesmerized by a breathtaking sunset, the hustle and bustle of city streets, or simply the beauty of your everyday life? Well, good news. Your smartphone's camera is the key to capturing those moments and turning them into a source of income. Start by recording what's around you, your neighborhood, nature, the delicious meals you whip up, or even the funny quirks of your pets. You won't believe how much people appreciate the simple joys of life, and your everyday experiences can inspire and entertain others. Teach and share your knowledge. We all have unique skills and knowledge to share, and you don't need a fancy setup to get started. Whether you're a pro at a particular skill, fluent in a language, or passionate about a hobby, your smartphone can be your classroom. Record short tutorials, language lessons, or how-to guides. You don't have to be an expert, you just need to be one step ahead of your audience. Share your learning journey, and help others along the way. Teaching isn't just rewarding, it's a fantastic way to make money. Tell your story. Your life is a captivating story waiting to be shared with the world. Whether you've conquered challenges, embarked on an exciting journey, or have a unique perspective on life, your story has value. Your mobile phone is your storyteller's tool. Use it to record personal vlogs, share your thoughts, and inspire others with your experiences. Authenticity resonates with people, and your story can be a source of motivation for someone out there. The power of personality. Your mobile phone is your stage, and you are the star. No need for an elaborate camera setup or a professional studio. All you need is your unique voice and perspective. Be yourself, be genuine, and let your personality shine. Don't be afraid to be a little different, a little quirky, because that's what sets you apart from the crowd. Earnings potential with your phone. Now, let's talk about the exciting part, making money from your phone. As a beginner on YouTube, your earnings may not skyrocket right away, but here's a rough estimate of what's possible. Ad revenue. YouTube rewards creators with ad revenue. If you consistently upload engaging content and build a loyal audience, you can start earning around $500 to $1,000 per month. Affiliate marketing. As your channel grows, you can recommend products or services through your videos and earn a commission on sales. This could bring in an extra $100 to $500 per month for beginners. Sponsorships and brand deals. Companies may start approaching you for sponsorships and brand deals once you have a substantial following. This can significantly boost your earnings, but it typically takes time. Merchandise sales. After building a dedicated fan base, you can sell merchandise related to your channel, like t-shirts, mugs, or other branded items. Earnings depend on your audience size and how well you market your products. Remember, the key to YouTube's success is consistency, quality content, and connecting with your audience. Your journey might start slowly, but every success story begins with a single step. So, grab your phone, start recording, and turn your time into profit. You're just one video away from making money and inspiring others to do the same. Don't forget to share, like, and follow my channel, so that you won't miss out the next episode.